During the engineering phase of a pilot build line for a U.S. OEM's product line motor launch, SK International was approached to design and build a cart to hold the engine in addition to designing and building the assembly tooling. The cart was engineered to hold and manipulate the completely assembled engine, weighing 225 kilograms. The original cart was not durable enough to hold the weight of the engine and wore out over time. It did not have a feature for vertical adjustment, which created an ergonomic issue for the operator responsible for completing the engine build process. The original gearbox shaft that rotates the engine mounting bracket was cracking due to the weight of the engine, causing unsafe work conditions, increased downtime, and product damage. Key features of the new engine cart include: designed and built with steel tubing to provide additional support for the cart to hold the weight of the fully built engine. Floor stop to ensure the cart does not move when operations are being performed on the engine when mounted to the cart. A gearbox with 360-degree range of rotation with a mechanical stop every 45 degrees to access all sides of the engine during the build process. Vertical adjustment of 12 inches to accommodate ergonomic requirements. An oil pan below the engine mount to collect and drain any oil that may leak from the engine during the build process. SK International also performed FEA on the shaft that is attached to the engine mounting plate to ensure that the updated cart design can accommodate the weight of the fully built engine.